Standing here talking to AIC head cross country and track and field coach Leo Mayo. Coach, we're about to wrap up the 2010 cross country season. We have the NCAA East Region meet coming up this weekend, and with any luck, we'll be sending a couple individuals, if not an entire team, down to the national championship meet down in Kentucky the beginning of December. Can you just talk about how the season's gone for us so far on the men's and women's side, and highlight a couple of the people that have kind of led us to where we are this year?
Well, this year, Glarius Ropp really defended his title in the Northeast 10. He actually defended his title in the New England Championships as well, and I hope for him to really do well at the NCAA Championship this year. Last year he was third, and we'd like to repeat that as well, if not contend for the national title. On the women's side, Jeptui Cheritich has really done well this year for us. She's led our team the entire season. I expect her to do really well at the regional qualifier and hopefully move up her position from last year at the NCAA meet. As far as the conference championship, we were 5th on the men's side. We were hoping for a little bit better. And on the women's side, we were 11th, and last year we were 10th. But we had a strong showing. We had 2 girls in the top 5, which was great, and we had 3 guys in the top 10, with 2 freshmen, Valentin Poncelet and Yossi Goes duo, in 7th and 8th.
Now, being that we are heading into the East Region Championship meets, what are your expectations for the team heading into the meet this weekend?
The expectations for the women's team is to compete as hard as they can, to really, end the season on a good note. Hopefully we can get maybe 1 or 2 girls in the top 5 and have them qualify for the NCAAs. And on the men's side, hopefully really chase Stonehill and UMass Lowell and see what we could do there. UMass Lowell's been strong the entire year. Stonehill has beat us every time this year as well. So we'll see how the season goes, and hopefully the regional qualifier can be a great day for us.
Standing here with AIC sophomore Glarius Ropp. Glarius, we're about to enter the NCAA cross-country championships, first with the regional this weekend, and then hopefully the national meet coming up. For those who haven't maybe been following the team, can you just kind of recap the season so far heading into this weekend?
Well, the season this far, the cross-country season has been good for me. I've raced a couple of races, 4 of them, and more interesting enough, I raced during the conference like 2 weeks ago, and I was able to perform very well, although it was a little bit cold for me. But I was able to run my best compared to last year. Well, I'm looking ahead, I'm looking forward this coming Sunday to compete in the regionals. Very interesting is that I'm going to defend my title, given that I won it last year, and I promise not to let it go, and I'm ready to fight for it to the end.
Standing here with AIC women's cross-country runner Jeptui Cheritich. We just competed at the Northeast 10 Championship a couple weeks ago. Why don't you recap what happened at the conference meet for us?
Actually, the conference was really good. I started very well, and then I finished very well. I was strong at the end. I think it's because of the training we have been having all throughout the season.
Okay, now we have the NCAA Regional Championship meet coming up on Saturday, or Sunday rather. What are your expectations for yourself heading into that championship meet?
I'm really looking forward to winning the regionals compared to last year when I was the second one. But I believe I'm going to win this time round.